Hello, in this video I want to show you how to adjust the pulling rate for Aerox 3 wireless by Steelseries. And to do this, you'll need to download Steelseries GG software on your PC. You can find it on their official website. Now click on the engine and select your mouse. Scroll down a bit and you'll find the pulling rate. You can adjust it using the slider, but it's recommended to use 1000 maximum possible option, as it changes the time response for your mouse and PC, and it's best to have it highest as possible. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment